Hey there, space enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of meteorites and uncovering the secrets of a rare find that's got scientists buzzing. Get ready to explore the extreme chemistry of a Finnish meteorite and discover how it's pushing the boundaries of our understanding of space rocks. So, buckle up and let's blast off. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the Löpönvaara meteorite. This little guy was discovered in 2017 in eastern Finland, and it's got a unique story to tell. What makes Löpönvaara so special? Well, it's all about its extreme chemistry. This meteorite is packed with phosphorus, an element that's usually found in phosphate on Earth, but in Löpönvaara, it's in a whole new form. In my opinion, what makes this really interesting is the fact that phosphorus is so rare in iron meteorites. Most of the time, phosphorus is locked up in phosphate, which is why it's not commonly found in space rocks. But Löpönvaara has broken the mold, and it's giving us a glimpse into a whole new world of meteorite chemistry. Personally, I think this discovery could be a game changer for our understanding of how meteorites form and evolve. Now, let's take a closer look at the structure of Löpönvaara. When you examine a polished slice of this meteorite, you'll notice something unusual. It's got a thin, web-like matrix that surrounds rounded metal grains. This structure is unlike anything we've seen before, and it's telling us a story about the conditions under which this meteorite formed. One thing that immediately stands out is the dominance of two minerals, kamasite and schreibersite. Kamasite is an iron-nickel alloy that's common in iron meteorites, but schreibersite is a different story. This phosphorus-rich mineral is made of iron and nickel, and it's holding most of the meteorite's phosphorus in a brittle, net-like matrix. What's fascinating about this is that schreibersite is usually found in meteorites that have been exposed to water, but Löpönvaara has never been exposed to water. So how did it form? From my perspective, this raises a deeper question about the conditions under which meteorites form. How did schreibersite form in Löpönvaara without the presence of water? This is a mystery that scientists are still trying to unravel. But what we do know is that this extreme chemistry is pushing the boundaries of our understanding of meteorite formation. Now, let's talk about the implications of this discovery. Löpönvaara is not just a rare find, it's a window into the past. By studying its extreme chemistry, we can learn more about the conditions under which meteorites form and how they evolve over time. This could give us insights into the composition and evolution of early planetary bodies, and it could even help us understand how life on Earth began. One thing that many people don't realize is that Löpönvaara is not just a meteorite, it's a time capsule. By studying its structure and chemistry, we can learn more about the conditions under which it formed, and this could help us understand the history of our solar system. It's like a puzzle, and we're just starting to put the pieces together. In conclusion, the Löpönvaara meteorite is a fascinating find that's pushing the boundaries of our understanding of meteorite chemistry. Its extreme chemistry and unique structure are telling us a story about the conditions under which it formed, and it's giving us a glimpse into the past. As scientists continue to study this meteorite, we can expect to learn more about the history of our solar system and the origins of life on Earth. So, stay tuned, and let's keep exploring the wonders of space together.